If you missed the first review for the Social Status Nike Air Penny 2 in black, be sure to catch that because this one is for the brand new white pair. The month of November is packed with sneaker releases, so I understand this pair may fly under the radar, but I still think it's one of the best drops for November. That's right, I'm talking about the Social Status Nike Air Penny 2 Playground in white. And shout out again to James Whitner and Social Status for graciously sending over my pair. It feels like deja vu. We've been here before, but you know what? Different shade this time. This is considered the Playground white pair, so we have a lot of lighter tones present with the coconut colorway. White laces will come stock with the shoe. We have a smoke gray sock liner, which I absolutely love. Still that Social Status and Nike co-branding. Nike on the back, this really nice cobalt blue throughout the upper, but then also around the outer sole trim for the sneaker. And of course, the little penny keychain, aka copper, 1 cent, you get the point. Air Max technology in the midsole to give these a lot of comfort. You can truly rock them all day, at least I can myself, and be rather comfortable, so I appreciate that. With the outsole, as you can see, Zoom Air, we have 1 cent or Penny Hardaway's logo on this specific shoe. On the other, of course, you have Social Status. Now for the laces, they give you additional laces. There's more of a tan pair, a sail pair, you get the white pair stock, but then you have blue. And I think this is hands down the best lace option. Again, this is just my personal opinion, but I like the varying shades of blue we get throughout the shoe with this lace swap. The coconut sail and cobalt blue play so well together. In the box, it's still a standout. Now, it's the exact same box we received for the black pair, so it really does look like an action figure box. Penny 2, Nike. We have Lil Penny on the side. Of course, he's not included anywhere in the shoe, so just use your imagination. But the box helps tell a full, complete story, and we appreciate that with any Whitaker Group collaboration with Nike and Jordan Brand. Please comment below which is your favorite, black or white. Funny enough though, this is not the sneaker that is the talk when it comes to the Whitaker Group. And before we go any further, just a quick on-foot look. So again, with the Air Max tech within here, or Zoom Air, I should say, very comfortable on foot. Now for sizing, I actually went up a half size to a 6.5. I don't like my toes to be cramped in any way, and I love the 6.5. It allows me to comfortably wear these thicker Jordan Legacy socks. They are women's socks. I picked them up from Champs for anyone who is curious, but it makes for a really comfortable fit, and I intend to wear these all fall and winter, weather permitting. And if you're curious about the pants, I'm wearing the Fear of God Essentials Essence Beige exclusive that dropped last year.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ. And again, just a really big thank you to Social Status and James Whitner and the entire team for sending over the Playground pair. I had no idea this one was being sent. I thought, my goodness, I got the black one. Like, I'm graciously happy for that. And then I arrived home back from California to see the white pair here. So it officially dropped on 11/4 or November 4th. I, of course, was still traveling back home. So I didn't get a chance to get this one up early for you guys, but I think there are reviews out there already for you to have seen this pair up close and personal. And if you were able to secure a pair, please comment down below. I won't lie though, I think I'm more partial to the white pair. Listen, quite honestly, it's the sail, that coconut tone, and the cobalt blue. And I also love the gray lining. Like, that sock liner is amazing, but also the lace swap. So I love the additional laces, same as with the black pair. You can really customize it and make it your own. And since we've already seen a more in-depth review on the black pair, let's just get to how I choose to style these. The very first look, one of my favorite custom pieces I've ever had done, this distressed Levi's denim jacket with the Nike detailing on there. So they're older Nike patches, size tags that I actually had done by a seamstress or tailor, I should say, for this look. And then the Mia Lee Jordan women's hoodie. You guys saw this in a full video breakdown not too long ago. And I paired this with the Fear of God Essentials Essence exclusive beige sweatpants. So if you guys remember, that video is on the channel as well. But just wanted to play around with that coconut tone present in the white pair for the Social Status Penny 2 Playground. And then also the different hits of blue that are in the hoodie. So it's not too matchy-matchy, at least in my personal opinion. And for the second look, we have the Fear of God Essentials nylon coach's jacket. This is actually in an extra small in the iron colorway, and then the oversized H&M Oxford shirt. I just picked this up on sale from H&M, so ladies, it's available if you'd like to pick it up yourself. I think they also have it in white and then a striped white and blue version. And I'm wearing my Nike Luxe leggings. I believe these are a medium in the gray colorway, but they are perfect, seamless, absolutely adore them. And then for the socks, these are the Jordan Women's Legacy socks. I picked these up from Champs, showed those on a recent video, but just two simple looks for the Social Status Air Max Penny 2 Playground in white. Comment your favorite. Now, as I said earlier, this is not the talk in terms of November releases for the Whitaker group. Now, we have this Social Status Air Penny 2 that dropped, but we know there's another highly anticipated, probably more anticipated, I think it's fair to say that, and that's the Maniere Jordan 4. However, I've seen a lot of criticism in the manner in which they're choosing to provide access for the chance to buy this pair. So there's only two ways. One, you wait until the official release date and you try online like so many will do, or you actually take to social media, whether it be on Twitter or Instagram, to actually put out a message speaking on the issues in terms of the current election that are important to marginalized groups, especially Black culture and Black community, and you speak on those, tag a representative, whether it be for the Senate or Congress, and then make sure to tag Maniere. And again, I've seen a lot of criticism there. People are saying, my goodness, now we have to complete a class project for the chance to buy a shoe. There's no way I'm standing up to perform. I'm not jumping through all these hoops and ladders, but mind you, you stand in a queue for forever online, you draw boxes around cats, and you play little puzzles, and you have to answer trivia questions. And I'm just saying, like, the hoops have been jumped through over and over again. I get that maybe you feel like there's a ring of fire around it this time, but we've already been doing that in 2022 because trying to secure a sneaker, it's hunger kicks out here. It's not easy. I think people are also forgetting that retailers have the choice of how they would choose to release that shoe. If the brand in which they've collaborated with has given them that right, or the brand they hold a contract with has given them the right to release that pair or provide access to that pair how they see fit, they're able to do that. I know everyone doesn't care for Atmos and their raffles on Twitter, but guess what? It allows people to participate in the manner in which that retailer would like for you to have a chance to purchase the shoe. But I get it, I get the criticism. I think it's more so based on it being political. I think that's where a lot of people have a problem with this. Yes, it is geared around the midterm elections, and the point being, they want to use their platform for more than just about sneakers. And guess what? They have the ability to do that. All eyes are on them for the Maniere 4. So once you have that attention, what will you do with it? They're choosing to do something with it. And guess what? You're absolutely positively not going to please everyone. I mean, we're seeing that with Nike and with Adidas. Adidas is being criticized because they took too long to take action when it came to Kanye West. And now Nike is being criticized because they've moved too swiftly in their decision to suspend. And again, it's suspended, not terminated, but in their decision to suspend their contract with Kyrie Irving right now with all things standing. So you're never going to please everyone. Also a reason why I would never run for any type of office. I just don't want to deal with that headache whatsoever in my life. I have enough going on. So I have no problem with it, but go ahead and comment your thoughts below. I just found it interesting that so many pairs are coming out and releasing, and I've seen a lot of people fall back on the Maniere 4 simply because of how you will have access to it. So again, it's one of two ways. You could have put the video out on the 7th or the 8th, or you could have chosen to just wait until it releases online and try your luck there. Either way, they're both amazing pairs. Good luck if you are going for the 4 and any other sneaker this month in November. Honestly, November is very packed packed. Actually, when I'm filming this, I have a very important meeting that I have to get to, so I'm gonna get off to that. And yeah, we'll discuss later on in a future video. But as always, I appreciate you for tuning in. Act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.